Hey everyone, just want to show off that just do a review on these full send wheel weights for the SCX24. They're 15 grams a piece. Full Send sent me these for review, and I just wanted to throw them some love and do a review. I got some RC four-wheel drive steel bead locks that are also 15 grams a piece, so 30 grams per wheel. They are obviously much heavier than the stock tire that came on the SCX24. And then I did some poor man brass a long time ago, but I mean, just comparing these two, you can feel a slight difference, but nothing like this. And right now I don't have anything other than some split shot in these 3D printed bead locks with my rock creepers on here. So I'm going to mount them up and see how well they install. I've seen other YouTubers install these with the RC four-wheel drive bead locks, and you can also install them in the Trio Type B bead locks you get on Amazon. They look pretty easy to install. You just have to press fit the brass insert in there straight, so you don't, because I think once you press it in there, you won't be able to get it out. So let's try this out. Now these are nicely machined. Wanted some weight down low, and so I think this is the ticket. So I'm going to attempt to press fit the full send wheel weight in. From what I've seen is you gotta evenly press it in. You don't want to have it slanted, because it's kind of a one-shot deal. So I'm going to do my best, and hopefully I don't mess up. Really looking forward to using these on my course in the backyard, but also out in my local crawling area. Let's see. That looks pretty level. Flat surface. They're machined to the T. There's no slop in there whatsoever, which is good. Once you get the technique of pressing these in there, you'll be good to go. I can see the wheel hex in there, nice and even. All the measurements are correct. I'm pressing down with a lot of force, and I still can't get it. So no, I'm probably doing it wrong.
15 minutes later.
So I got it in. I was not able to press fit it into the RC four-wheel drive rim, or wheel, I mean, with my fingers. I did get it stuck. Just try to press fit it in with my fingers, and then just used a flat tip screwdriver underneath and popped it out. Really didn't want to resort to hitting it with a hammer, but that's what I did. Just firmly tapped it in to make it level, just with a rubber mallet, and that seemed like it worked just fine. And I have Trio knuckles, brass knuckles on there, and it fits just fine. It's got good weight to it. Like I said, it's 15 grams per brass insert, and the RC four-wheel drives per I looked on A-Main hobbies. It said it was 15 grams per wheel also, which is kind of hard to believe because when I was working with them to mount them and everything, they seem pretty light, but I know it's dispersed over the whole wheel. Yeah, it feels great. I'm really excited to get these everything installed, just for one so far, and I'm looking forward to installing the rest and mounting these up and trying them out on my course, and seeing how the truck performs. Can only imagine it performs even better than it does, especially with weight all around, for climbing and side hilling. The truck is quite impressive.